Okay, today we're going to be scraping all insurance agents from farmers, and we can get their emails, names, bio. So if you wanted to send cold emails to them, then you'll have a plethora of information to do so. So in order to do this, we're going to type in a zip code. So the current one I'm in right now, 78702 for Austin, Texas. It's going to pull up this list, and this is always a great indication that they're firing off some network requests to get that data. So we're going to inspect, open up the network tab, clear everything, see if that's just Menagerie. Let's do fetch XHR. So there's no pagination, which is a bummer. So let's type in another zip code. Boom. So that looks like the one that we want. Looks like there's some access token. The access token, and then it's going to give you, a bunch of Menagerie. Anyway, so looks like response is what we want, 395. Looks like that is the amount of agents, but it only gives you 50. So what I'm going to do later is I think if we enter in every single zip code in the United States, I think we can get all of the agents. So we're going to go down here and then click profile, and then we have the information here. Let's see what this person's name is, and you just get a ton of information. Site plan. There's the office description. Property description. Club awards is good. So you mentioned something about those. Then they'll know that you have read a little bit about them. Corporate owned. There's description there. Oh, see, hobbies and activities. Like, this is so brilliant. Running. I've completed 8 marathons. Ladybird Lake Trail, traveling, hiking, reading movies, read anything good lately. Like, these are all things that you could mention in your cold email that would really increase the reply rate. About me, many customers, blah, 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 blah. I help customers. Such good information. Such good information. And then you have, way down here, way too much information. And then you're going to have emails right here. And then their names, or his name. Like first name. And you just have to find all of this information, but it is all there. So much information is there. So let's click on the next one, profile. And they append all these with C, which is really annoying. But then emails right here. So you get all of their emails. Let's just double check this one. Emails. So we can get all of the farmers insurance agents and all of their agents, all of their emails, and a lot of information about them too, a lot of great information. So if you want to cold email them, then those reply rates are going to skyrocket. You just use that information kind of against them. So what we're going to do is copy as node fetch, since this is the one that we want. Going to go to your editor. And Copilot's not working out for me right now. There we go. Yep. Do that. Import fetch from node fetch. Now let's log this and see what we get there. So we're going to run demo. Boom. And actually, that was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. So we get all of the data, it looks like. So then if we key into the JSON dot response dot entities, it's get the first one response. And oh, nice. It already knows that one. Boom. So easy as that. Possibly. Yeah, you also get their phone numbers. There's their email. Yeah, email's right there. Boom. Description. That doesn't look that important or that good. So let's look to see what we have here for the query parameter. So it's a GET request, has some cookies. Wonder if we get rid of those, if they care about the cookies. Ha! They don't. Let's go. So I scraped, who were they? Allstate agents, and they use the same service, whatever software that is. Allstate find an agent. And let's see, so 78702. Yeah, so this looks similar. They use the same software. And I thought you had to use Puppeteer to access it. So farmers, yeah, maybe you didn't. I think you need a residential IP, though, for it. Which, if you're just doing a one-time scrape, you can just do it from home. And you don't have to pay anyone. If you do need, if you're trying to update it regularly, I use Scraping Bee. It's a little bit expensive, but it's pretty worth it. Fast, really, really easy to use. So anyway, we're going to try to get, so the query parameters that we have here, so we have this zip code. It looks like they have it twice. And do we need state searched as a query parameter? Let's check that out. You don't. Oh my Lord. So easy. So then if we change this, let's put that in a variable const. Zip equals, let's do my hometown. Zip. Let's see what we get back there. Looks like we get everything back, baby. Yep, 330, that checks out. Emails. Right there. Easy peasy. So then, all you have to do is just get a bunch of zip codes. So I believe I need to redo my other function here. Yeah, so I have a CSV for zip codes, and then you just loop. And I think that's an object. Yeah. And then we just loop through. And log all those out. So if we do this and just run it, read CSV is not defined, read CSV. .js. Boom. And just loops through. And a lot of these, so I'm doing, a lot of these are going to be the same. There's going to be a lot of overlap because we're searching every zip code in the United States. So, yeah, that's it. And then you just save it to your database, save the information that you want, key it into it. There you go. Easy as that.